In this lecture, we will cover how to define the custom schema. In the actual industry practice, we don't make the schema independent. We will define the schema on our own. Okay. To define the schema, what we have to do? We have to import the two functions, StructType and the StructField. These are two very important things. We will understand how. Then the data types, IntegerType, StringType, and the double type. Okay. From there, we have into pyspark.sql.types. We have imported these. Then, what we have done? Sales schema. This is the object is equal to StructType. Here we are defining the structure of the schema. In this structure, we have defined first field. To define first field, we have used the function StructField. To define in each field, we have to use the StructField. Okay. Then column 1 and data type of that column. Okay. This is the name of the column. This is the data type of the column. Name is the ordered ID. Data type is the integer type. And this is true. True means yes, we allow the null values. If it is false, then that column won't have the null values. It will throw the error. So it is saying null values allowed or not. Second example, customer ID the name, integer type is the data type. True means null is allowed. And same. How we have defined StructType? StructType means complete structure of that table. Inside that StructField and multiple columns. Okay. Once it is defined, then we will use this in the options. To understand the complete flow, just watch the previous video to get the complete idea of that. Here we have used the again command. Let me run it first. Here what we are saying is part.read.option header equal to true means first line we will consider as the header. Then schema, sales schema. Now schema, this is the schema where this schema will be used as the blueprint while reading the data. Then we will read the data from this part. Then normal.show and go. Okay. So see, order ID is we are defined as integer, quantity as integer, amount as double, custom name as string. Usually in this industry, we use the custom schema, not the inferred schema. This is the best practice. Now, in this CSV file, although most of the CSV file is the comma separated, but there can be pipe separated file also. Pipe is this one. We have created one dummy file there, base path employee pipe.csv, and we have stored this data there. Okay. Now we will read this same data using this part.read option header equal to true, infer schema equal to true, delimiter. Now delimiter we have changed to the pipe. By default it is a comma for the read CSV, but now we have defined to the pipe. These are common. Comma is there, pipe is there. Pipe is not visible because that is syncing with the formatting of the markdown. So pipe is there, semicolon, tag. These are four major separated delimiters available in the CSV system. In the next lecture, we will cover the null value system. Okay.